everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to unbox Lady Raga box for the month of March. So let's just open and see what products I got this time in this bag. Alright, I see a golden pouch and this is the exact same pouch I got in Euphorbia box. Exact, no difference, same color, same texture. If you have seen my Euphorbia box, you must recognize this pouch. This is the exact same pouch, and I have the info card here, and all the products are mentioned here with their prices. So let's just open the pouch and see the contents. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is this huge tub, and this is basically Savannah turmeric body butter with SPF. This is by the brand called Aura de Purity, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 grams of products, and this one retails 599 rupees. And this is how it looks like. Very thick creamy texture. It's more even in the color, it's cream, off-white cream, and it smells really good. Let me just try on my skin. Oopsie. Okay, so it's not a cream, it's more like a lotiony. I just ruined my clothes. If you will tilt this jar, it will run out. It is quite runny, more of like a lotion, not like a cream, so you have to be a little careful. Anyways, but it is blending onto my skin really nicely, getting absorbed really nicely, and smells good as well. You just have to be careful that you don't have to tilt the tub, you have to just take it out and apply. My clothes are a mess right now. Anyways, moving on to next product. Okay, I see it's an eyeliner, and it is by the brand called ADS, and this is like a kajal. This is how it looks like. This is the swatch. It's not very creamy, but it's decent. It's not the best, but decent. And it says it is waterproof. And this ADS Perfect Eyeliner retails for about 95 Indian rupees. Then I see this thing, and this is, okay, so this is basically a body scrub, and this is deodorizing and lightening scrub, and it is by the brand called Nature's Van. Alright, so this is basically specifically for the underarms, and it says that you have to like use it scrub 3 times a week to get the best result on your underarms. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It looks like a gray colored scrub. I think you have to mix it with water and then you have to use it. So I'm really looking forward to it, because summers are approaching and we wear lots of sleeveless, so dark underarms are kind of embarrassing, so I will definitely give it a try. I do have a little bit darkness in my underarm, so definitely going to try this. And the amount of product I'm getting here is 50 grams. It retails for about rupees 325, and this one is made in Goa, and this is cruelty free, paraben free, and SLS free. Okay, so you just don't have to use this with water. There is a proper method to use this scrub. So basically you have to take 2 teaspoons of this scrub and half teaspoons of raw honey and a small quantity of lemon juice or lime juice. Mix well, make it a paste, and then apply this paste onto your underarms in a circular motion, and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then just rinse it out and pat it dry. So definitely I'm gonna try this. Alright, so the next thing I can see is this thing, something in a jar. So let's just open it. It's really nicely packed in bubble wrap. Alright, so this is basically a rose body polish, and this is by the brand called Plump. It's like those salts you get for bathing purposes. Yes, it looks like that, and it has a really strong fragrance of rose, so that's really good. And this is how it looks like. It's just like a body scrub or body polish, whatever you want to say. And the amount of product I'm getting is 50 grams, that is 1.76 O's, and it retails for 299 Indian rupees. Alright, that's that. I'm left with one last product, and these are earrings. Yeah, and unfortunately they are out of this polythene which actually secures them, and these are broken. Yeah, this is the whole earring. You can see it looks really pretty, very boho, very chic, but unfortunately the other earring is broken, which is not cool because it was not packed properly. I think that's the reason it broke. Yeah, so those were all of the things I got in this time's I'm just so sorry, I just have to tell you the price of the earrings. These are silver danglers, and these one retails for about 150. So yeah, that's it for the March's Lady Raga bag, and in total I got 5 products: the body polish, the underarm scrub, the body butter, and the kajal, and the earrings. Yeah, so that was it about the unboxing, and for me it was like a very average box or bag, whatever you want to say. Nothing excited me this time. Yeah, I am just looking forward for that deodorizing and lightening scrub. That's it, nothing else. I really loved the earrings, but it was broken, so yeah. So that's it for the unboxing, and yeah, if you're new to my channel, watching me for the very first time, then please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.